have our platter from Mr. Bird.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Tasty chip.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
I don't know. These are sauces.
It came in a bit late, so the chips are not
Yeah, they're not as nice.
slapping.
What is this?
That looks like a soup.
Not barbecue.
He needs some milk.
Chili.
It's like mayo on a chili. I don't know. Tastes good though. I like it. Nah,
Kind of weird. Never had.
it too.
Leave it in there. I thought you wanted to put it in the box. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ro and your girl.
Pearl
And today we trying out Mr. Bird
chicken.
chicken.
Yeah. It's their family platter. But I think they say it's platter for 4 people. It's only 2. You know?
So, what do we have? We got some wings.
I think we
got
have
the
wings.
chicken strips.
What are these?
Pops. I think those are pops. You know those things you get from KFC? Those tiny things.
They look chickenish.
It is chicken, I think. It should be chicken.
Everything looks the same. I hope it doesn't taste the same.
Yeah, but I don't think it tastes the same. We'll just have to see. What are we starting with?
Chicken strips.
Chicken strips.
They're quite big.
I want to try that sauce though.
This one.
Which one you starting with?
I'm gonna try this sauce.
Save the best for last.
Oh, I enjoyed this one. Oh my god! Wow! I'm not pretending. I'm not pretending. This is good.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
I like it.
Okay.
It's okay.
No, I'm just saying okay.
I don't want to put too much of this because I don't know what it is. I don't really trust.
Is this mayo? So guys, let's show you guys. That's a chicken strip. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh my god, how is it that big?
That's the one.
It's this one.
That's the one.
It's spicy.
Then we got the mayo.
Mayo.
The strips are so tender. They're actually well good. I don't know. I'd give them an 8 out of 10.
What do you think of the dip?
This one's my favorite. This brown. I don't know. Something different about it. You tasted this one?
I haven't tasted this.
Not really happy about it.
This one's for the wings.
Incredible. So they toasted the buns. I'm just gonna dip everything. Make a sandwich.
Okay, I'll be honest with the strips. Strips, nothing special. I've had strips.
They're better.
No, I'm not gonna say I've had strips that are better, but they're not better than the strips I've had before. And I'm not saying the strips I had before are better than this, so it's like,
What are you saying?
I'm just saying it's like, it's the
Just
same.
strips.
It's just strips are strips.
Have you tasted the one from the garage? What is it? Caltex garage?
No, those are
They
strips.
slap. Always fresh when you buy them. Let's add more sauce.
You got the little toasted bun. You showed it.
I'm trying to make a sandwich. It's gonna go. My favorite sauce.
And I got the wing. My favorite wing. You like which part? The flats.
I like the flats. I don't like the drumstick one. It has too much. It's just not tender. Now it just tastes like a KFC chicken burger when I have it like this. How are the wings? I hope they don't taste the same. Now I'm curious. They do? So you're telling me they use the same spice and everything?
Yeah.
No, that's not nice. I feel like they should see the pops are also the same.
No, 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 no.
The only different thing is the sauce. The same? It's not the same?
I forgot. I forgot how the thing tasted alone.
I don't know why she wasting food. I eat the bone too, guys.
You can't eat this one.
I can. Just eat it and finish it. Don't waste food. There's people starving.
It's not a food. It's a bone. I've never seen you eat bones anyway. It's gonna be the first. Let me try it one more time. What is this, babe? Honey? With what?
Honey mixed with spices.
Curry powder is also here. Because it has that thing.
I feel like this is an Indian. It's Durban, India. Is it not? Kinda.
Halal?
Durban, Indian.
I don't know.
Indian food was good, guys. Nothing against it.
Take this one.
So you want me to eat both of the drumsticks?
You like them?
Women be thinking they are slick.
Don't you like them? I thought you liked them. That's the one's fat, so. Alright, anyway.
I haven't even had the bread.
I don't know why I thought the bread was filled with some chicken tenders too.
Inside.
The fries, I can tell they were good when they were fresh.
At some point. But no.
You know what makes fries better? Revamped if you fry them again. It brings them back to life because the microwave doesn't.
I'll be honest. Out of 10. What you think?
For what, the chicken?
What you think I'm gonna say?
I'm gonna say something lower than me though. I said 8.
Close enough. You really giving it an 8? Are you happy? Is it what you expected?
Not really.
I don't think it's what you expected.
I don't know, it's a bit dry. Like, I don't know. I think the sauce is helping.
I'm giving it a 7.5.
I never understand the 0.5s. What are they for?
What that mean, nigga? And then niggas say he don't be on the internet. It's like, if you don't be on the internet, what we talking about then? And I ain't say nothing.
Never know I ate too. That's 1.5 too.
It's just that extra score. It's just like, oh well, you tried, you did your best. 0.5 was for doing your best.
Did your best, but I guess your best wasn't good enough.
I don't even think I'd get to the second one. What?
You're not gonna finish.
I think that's the whole one. I thought I missed myself.
I like to eat, 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 eat.
Can't even speak right now.
When you have food in your mouth, you don't talk. When you have food in your mouth, you don't talk.
I'm back.
Mr. Bird.
Still one more. Still one more.
One more.
It's like the fries I'm gonna revamp them. Definitely not gonna throw them away. They need to be gone. And then they'll be fine. My pops. This is the same.
They're using the same spice for everything.
I feel like that's where they went wrong. They use the same spice for the wings, the pops, the chicken strips, and it defeats the purpose of having everything. I don't know. For that, I'll give them a 6. Yeah, I'm quite disappointed. They should make variety of taste.
From my 8 was.
No, wait. The 8 was specifically for the taste. But for the whole planning and whatnot, they could have done better with the platter.
I don't know if this is gonna make sense to you guys the way it makes sense to me, but
And this would have been this, whatever this is, I don't know. You'll see how it looks. And you'll see how the strips look. Like, can you tell the difference? Wing, strip, twins, right? I'm thinking I'm gonna be alright now.
That was a good meal.
It's just different because we've had almost everything.
And you can get this for how much?
It was 200 and I don't know, 30 something, 230, 240. Not sure. But I don't think I'm gonna try it again. I might try the burger. Spicy burger they have. It looked delicious.
And do a video for the burger.
Yeah. I'm okay. I'm full.
I think I can see that. I think I can see that.
Been like this.
I think I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. Because my stomach hurts. My stomach is full. Well, cheers guys. Cheers everybody.
Yeah. Not so happy, but not that disappointed. I'm good. Couldn't really finish it. Especially the fries. Apple fries are my favorite. They just...
You have to finish your fries. You have to eat them within the first 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's over.
Our order was delivered in hour 30 minutes after ordering. Imagine. That's fine. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
I'm not fetching that cam.
It's yours, so you have to.